All the world's a stage.
And all the men and women merely players.
They have their exits and their entrances.
And one man in his time plays many parts.
First, the infant.
Mewing.
Then, the whining schoolboy, with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like a snail, unwillingly to school.
And then the lover, signed like a furnace, with a woeful ballad, made to his mistress' eyebrow. Then a soldier, full of strange oath and bearded like the part, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quirk, seeking the bubble reputation, even in the cannons of the mouth.
Bang! And then the justice, in fair round belly, and with good cake of white, with eye severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise saws and modern instances, and so he plays his part.
The sixth age shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon with spectacles on nose and pouch on the side. His youthful hose well sailed, a world too wide for his shrunk shank and his big manly voice turning around again towards childish treble pipes and whistles in his sound.
Last scene of all.
That ends this strange, eventful story.
Is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sans feet, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything.
I really hope there's been food for thought. Certainly my aim was to create a session that was going to be playful and liberating and creative. A little bit of hard work on the text, but you've responded so beautifully and brilliantly, and I'm just sad I don't get more time with you, but thank you, genuinely, thank you so much.